experiencing media license error when using Apple Music or Spotify in your Tesla Model Y? You're not alone. These errors usually stem from digital rights management, DRM, which protects copyrighted content. This video will guide you through understanding and resolving these issues, focusing on the common causes and effective troubleshooting steps applicable as of January 1st, 2026. We'll cover everything from basic fixes to more advanced solutions. Media license errors occur because streaming services like Apple Music and Spotify use DRM to protect copyrighted content from unauthorized access. This protection involves tokens, which are digital keys that your Tesla requests to validate your access. These tokens are time-limited, often lasting 24 to 48 hours, and are specifically tied to your device. If the token expires, the internet connection drops during validation, or the vehicle's software misinterprets regional rights, you'll encounter the media license error. Before diving into advanced fixes, start with the basics. First, verify your Tesla has a stable internet connection via cellular or Wi-Fi. A weak signal is a primary culprit. Next, restart your Tesla's infotainment system. You can do this by going to Controls, Safety and Security, Power Off, and waiting a couple of minutes before restarting. Finally, try logging out and back into your Apple Music or Spotify account within the Tesla browser. Ensure your Tesla's software is up to date. Tesla frequently releases over-the-air updates, such as version 2025.12.1, that include bug fixes for media license handling. Navigate to Controls, then Software to check for and install any available updates. Additionally, Tesla now offers an AI-assisted diagnostic tool in the vehicle's app, accessible via the touchscreen. This tool scans for common issues and suggests real-time fixes. Media rights are governed by international agreements that dictate where and how content can be played based on licensing laws. Double-check that your Apple Music or Spotify account region matches the region you're currently in. Logging in with an account from a different region can trigger license errors due to regional licensing restrictions. If you've recently moved or are traveling, update your account settings accordingly to ensure proper regional licensing. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your media license errors, contact Tesla support for advanced solutions. Have your vehicle's VIN ready. This unique identifier is usually located on the driver's side dashboard or door jamb. Support will need it to access your vehicle's records. Prepare a detailed description of the error. Include when it happens, the exact error message, and any recent software updates or account changes that might be related. Support technicians can remotely diagnose your infotainment system. They may reset your media licenses, which often resolves persistent playback issues by refreshing authentication tokens. If remote solutions don't work, some issues may require an in-person visit to a Tesla service center. Technicians can perform hardware checks or firmware updates that aren't possible remotely. The future looks promising for eliminating these errors. Tesla is working on fully offline-capable streaming, with partnerships to allow local license caching, reducing dependency on real-time internet. This, coupled with AI-driven diagnostics that predict and prevent license failures, will significantly improve the media experience in your Model Y. Keep an eye out for updates that optimize license checks for energy efficiency, ensuring uninterrupted playback. To minimize media license error occurrences, prioritize a stable internet connection. A reliable connection ensures your streaming licenses remain valid and prevents interruptions during playback. Keep your Tesla software updated. Regular over-the-air updates include fixes for DRM handling and authentication protocols, reducing license errors significantly. Verify your account region. Ensure your streaming account matches your location to avoid geo-blocking issues that can trigger license errors. Regularly restart your infotainment system. This clears temporary glitches and refreshes authentication tokens, preventing persistent errors. Stay informed about Tesla's latest updates. Monitor Tesla's software release notes and user forums to learn about new features and fixes for media streaming. Remember to utilize Tesla's AI diagnostic tools for quick troubleshooting. These tools can scan for issues and suggest fixes in real time, making problem resolution faster. By following these steps and staying informed about Tesla's latest updates, you can enjoy seamless music streaming in your Model Y. Happy listening.